Intro music fades in upbeat and energetic. Hey everyone, welcome back to Rev and Shift Blog. If you're a car enthusiast, you know that having the right tools can make all the difference in your DIY projects. Today, we're diving into the top 5 must-have tools that will save you time and money as you keep your vehicle in top shape. Let's kick things off with our first essential tool, the wrench and socket set. These are the backbone of every toolkit. When it comes to automotive work, wrenches and sockets are indispensable for tightening or loosening nuts and bolts with ease. Trust me, having a variety of sizes and types of wrenches and sockets will make your life so much easier. You'll be able to tackle any job, big or small, with confidence. Plus, a good quality wrench and socket set is an investment that will last for years. Next up is your vehicle's best friend, the OBD2 Scanner. This invaluable tool connects to your car's onboard diagnostics system, giving you access to error codes that can help pinpoint problems. With an OBD2 scanner, you can read those error codes yourself and get a better understanding of what's going on under the hood. The peace of mind and potential cost savings you'll get from being able to diagnose problems early on are priceless. Plus, there are plenty of affordable options out there that are perfect for the average car enthusiast. Chapter 3. Torquewrench precision power at your fingertips. James, coming in at number 3 is the crucial torquewrench. This tool is an absolute game changer for anyone serious about car maintenance. It ensures that bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's exact specifications, which is essential for the longevity and safety of your vehicle. Over-tightening bolts can lead to stripped threads, broken parts, and even dangerous situations down the road. Imagine driving with compromised wheel integrity. James, trust me, investing in a good quality torque wrench is one of the best things you can do for your car and your peace of mind. It's not just a tool. It's a safeguard. It's like having a little insurance policy against costly repairs and potential hazards. Plus, it gives you the confidence that your car is in top-notch condition. So, whether you're a professional mechanic or a car enthusiast, a torque wrench is indispensable. It's precision power right at your fingertips. Chapter 4, Jack and Jack stands. Your safety net for undercar adventures. James. Next up is our 4th essential tool, jack and jack stands. These are absolutely crucial for anyone who plans to do any work underneath their vehicle. When working underneath your car, having reliable lifting equipment is non-negotiable. It ensures your safety and allows you to work with peace of mind. Jacks are great for lifting, but they're not designed for long-term support. They can fail if left under load for too long. That's where jack stands come in. They provide the stable long-term support you need to safely work under your car. James, when choosing a jack and jack stands, make sure they're rated for the weight of your vehicle. Always check the weight rating before you buy. And remember, it's always better to err on the side of caution. Double check everything to ensure your safety. Go with a higher weight capacity than you think you'll need. It's better to be safe than sorry when it comes to lifting your car. Proper placement of jack stands is also crucial. Make sure they are positioned on solid, flat ground and are securely holding the car before you start any work. Chapter 5. Mechanic. Gloves, your hand's best friend. James, last but not least, we have mechanic gloves. These gloves are an indispensable part of any mechanic's toolkit. While they may not be traditional tools, they are essential for protecting your hands from dirt, grease, and potential injuries while working on vehicles. Imagine trying to work on a car without them. Your hands would be a mess. Working on cars can be messy business. You're dealing with all sorts of substances and materials that can be harmful to your skin. You've got grease, oil, sharp edges, hot parts. It's a recipe for cuts, burns, and grime. Without gloves, you're exposing your hands to all these hazards. James, a good pair of mechanic gloves will not only protect your hands, but also improve your grip and dexterity. They allow you to handle tools and parts with precision. Plus, let's be honest, nobody wants to shake hands with someone who's got grease under their fingernails. Clean hands are a sign of professionalism and care. Rev up your DIY game. James, equipping yourself with these 5 essential tools will not only enhance your DIY skills, but also boost your confidence as a car owner. James, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching Rev and Shift Blog. Keep those engines running smoothly.